pie charts. Our objective, again, fairly simple. We want to construct a pie chart. Well, what is a pie chart? Also called a pie graph, it's a circle divided into sectors, like pie and slices of pie. In a pie chart, each sector shows the relative size as a percent of a category, and that shows it with respect to the whole. So it's a real nice way to show things where you have parts and wholes. Useful for showing the division of all possible values or a qualitative variable into its parts. Basically, if the data parts don't make up the whole, then the pie chart is not a worthwhile graph. You want the pie to be the whole, all possible options. And then the slices become the various parts of all possible options. The emphasis is on comparing a part or the parts to the whole, okay? So, let's make a pie chart, and we'll make it using StatCrunch. Making it by hand requires a protractor to make a circle, and then it requires a compass so that you get your angle measurements correct. Probably something you might have done way back in school, maybe some early grades. Okay, have your protractor make a circle, take out and do your angles. We'll let StatCrunch do this for us. The following data represents the land area for each of the 7 continents. It's in StatCrunch 2_1_26. We're going to use StatCrunch, graph pie chart with summary, to create a pie chart for the data. Notice that we have all the parts of the whole. Okay, we have all 7 continents. There are only 7. And so we're going to be able to make a pie chart because we're going to look at all 7 continents and what percentage of area they make up of the entire area on the planet. We're going to record our percentages below, and pie charts tend to be about percentages. So here we have the data. Our 7 continents are over here, and we've already done the math, all the land areas. So we've already added up. We've already added up all the countries in Africa. That's what we're doing with summary. Antarctica, of course, stands alone. Asia has lots of countries in it, et cetera, et cetera. Let's make a pie chart. 57 million square miles of land area. We notice here, that's a lot. Okay, let's come up here and find our percents using StatCrunch. So back to here, and I'm in my data set of StatCrunch, and I said I need to be in 2_1_26. It's right here. I'll open that data set up. And there we have it. There are the 7 continents, their land area, and this data set also includes highest elevation. We're not going to work with that. We're going to simply work with the land area, making a pie chart. So graph, pie chart, and then again with summary, because we've already added up all the countries within each continent. Okay, so our category is the continents. Our counts, we're looking at the land area. Okay, and I don't think we can, I tend to order by worksheet. That should be fine. And let's compute. There you have it. All 7 continents all represented. So all the continents make up the entire pie. And you can see, you can quickly see with the pie chart, Asia has the greatest land area. Africa is pretty close is a second, followed by North America, and then the yellow is South America. And then Antarctica, Europe, and Australia are kind of similar at the smaller end. And what we're looking for over here, we want to note on our sheet, are the percentages. Well, it's telling us that Africa, there's the land area, and there's our percent right there. These are designed to show percents clearly for you. Antarctica, 8.91%, et cetera, et cetera. We want to make a note of those so we can write that down in our table. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and put that in our table. And I've got this. I can look at my pie chart, and we saw Africa was 20.29%, and Antarctica was 8.91%. Asia, the largest. Asia makes up almost 1/3 of all the Earth's land area, just a little under 33%. Australia, not much, 1/6 the size of Asia. Europe, 6.71%. North America, 16.51%. I think that's just the U.S., in Canada. Maybe, I don't know how far that goes down. Maybe Mexico too. Obviously, gosh, 2.5 times larger than Europe. And finally, South America, 12.02%. And what matters here is that we have 100% represented, okay? The pie chart, the entire circle is 100%, and so all of the pieces should add up to 100% when all is said and done.